So this is Shyam Chetwani once again, and once again we have a wonderful financial consultation call with Mr. Prasanth. And so it is amazing knowing you personally as well as financially. You are really a very kind person and a very down to earth person, I show. And it was really knowing you and helping you personally on step by step the guidance, everything. What I even I personally liked a lot that I'm really giving a guidance to a right person at right time. So I just wanted to know your feedback. So how is your experience and how you feel after completing this one-to-one?
Definitely, sir. Really, I today I feel it's my excellent day because actually I was in deep depression after the turmoils I underwent related to Corona, and I ran into deep debts. I always started undergoing great depressive periods. But today, Shyam Chetwani sir has really, he has guided me very much. He is an excellent guide, and he analyzed every bit of whatever I have told him, and boosted my morale that I will be able to do things better. A little planning and little positivity is required from my end. Thank you very much for your guidance, sir. And I also do recommend people to have a talk with you once so that they will also have a change of attitude and behavior, change in their behavior towards their lives so that they can lead a happy and peaceful life. Thank you very much, sir.
Great, sir. Thank you very much for the kind words. Then one last question, like what out of the discussion what we had, which one thing really liked you a lot and which really changed your little bit of mindset? Like, yes, this is something, some kind of motivation or something I was really looking for.
Your ability to convince people, grab correct information, make them understand what is happening and how they are supposed to move with their financials. That portion I like very much, sir. Because hitherto I never had such a kind of experience with me. Simply, I was just leading life as the way other people do, without any financial knowledge. Because I'm an illiterate as far as financials are concerned. It always bothers me. Oh God, I can't handle. Huge numbers always make me afraid of them. But today, after looking at the Excel sheet that you have shown to me, slowly I have started understanding. Oh, this is the way how I am supposed to have an analytical approach towards numbers. I should not be afraid of them. Thank you, sir. Really, you did it excellently. Because I was also whether I don't understand whether I have given the information correctly to you, but you have grasped it correctly in one go. Really, I appreciate it, sir.
Yes,
Because I
thank
had
you.
my apprehensions. Because what kind of guidance I will be getting, whether this person understands or laughs at me or mocks at me because, hey, you silly fellow, at the age of 45 years you are caught up in a debt of 45 lakhs, you are over something, such kind of negative repercussions. I may be with that feeling. Actually, I entered into the meeting room, but really your approach, the way of understanding the person sitting opposite to you is extraordinary, sir. Thank you very much. You made my day, sir.
No, no, thank you, sir. It is my pleasure. It is everybody is not simple, and everybody's financial life is not simple. But this is somehow we have to manage anyhow. Okay, when you are going somewhere, let's say you have catch Ola or Uber, you select one destination, but that is not compulsory that you will reach the destination on time without any issue. There are many things. There might be a heavy traffic. There might be a train. There might be a heavy rain. There might be a breakdown in the car. But still, somehow, from alternate route, anyhow, you reach the destination. So my role here was to show you the right path. Now the destination, you have to reach the destination. There might be many difficulties come in your life, but slowly and gradually, you should face it positively. And if you follow the right process, if you follow the right pyramid process, I can assure you that you will reach your destination, which is financial freedom, very soon.
Thank
So
you,
be
sir.
optimistic, be positive, be consistent towards the investment, and you will definitely do this very soon. This is my promise to
Definitely.
you.
Thank you. Thank you for your wonderful and kind guidance.
Thank you. Thank you very much. And I wish you all the best and wishing you a very successful and financial free life very soon. And more
Thank
power
you,
to
sir.
you.
Thank you. More power to you, sir.